So now we're going to plate up one of our main courses. It's called powdered duck. So it's our duck dish that's served with a braised red cabbage gel. We've got some little red cabbage leaves which have been braised in a veg braising liquid, so acidulated liquid. We have some pickled cherries which we pickled all the way back in the autumn. They're pickled in a red wine and spices, and then also we have some kale which is actually locally grown in the UAE. And then we also have the umbles. So we have the duck hearts, which we brine, and then we cook in smoked duck fat sous vide, and then we just finish them with some toasted panko breadcrumbs, a little bit of spiced salt, and some chopped parsley. So I'm going to plate this up for you now. So we're going to start by adding our red cabbage gel. So the way we make this, it's a beautiful colour and a really lovely texture as well. So the way we make this is we juice red cabbage, we add red grape juice, we add spices, and also a little bit of red currant jelly just to help give it a nice balance and a nice sweetness. So the flavour of this is the flavour of braised red cabbage. So I'm just going to start by putting a little clam on the plate. Like that. Next to go on is our duck breast. Just going to dab that. So this duck breast has been removed from the crown. We brine it, and then we brine it for 2 hours in a herb brine, and then we rinse it in cold running water for half an hour, and then we cook it sous vide for about 45 minutes until it reaches cool temperature, and then we'll remove it from the bag and we'll sear it to give the skin a nice dark and a nice crispy texture. We're then going to go on with our kale, which has just been heated up in a little bit of butter emulsion. So it goes on like that. Next, we're going to place the braised red cabbage leaves. So you have braised red cabbage, you have the cabbage puree here. So the way we do this is we just braise it in veg braising liquid, and then we cut them down into the nice shapes, and then we just sear them on the josper, give it a nice smoky note. And then finally, we're going to finish the dish with our umbles, which have just got a nice panko breadcrumb on. So this is nice, it just uses up another part of the duck, just in terms of sustainability. That's not supposed to happen. And then finally we have our pickled red cherries, which just add a nice freshness and a nice bit of acidity to the dish, and it just enables us to use the cherries and preserve them so that we can use them out of the season as well. So it's not just using them in the season. And there you have our powdered duck with braised red. Can I get with the braised red cabbage fluid gel, kale, umbles, and pickled cherries. And we're just going to finish it with a bit of the sauce. So we take the carcass and we make the sauce. We reduce the sauce down, and then we finish the sauce with ginger, green cardamom, a bit of the pickling liquid from the cherries just to acidulate it, and a little bit of mace as well. So it's slightly spicy, nice and warm, and just finishes the dish and brings it together.